True Jamaican vibes, fire read. Yeah man, you don't know. You know say place is normal in Jamaica again and after the storm, a lot of people give up and focus same way. But you don't know after a storm you have to be a calm. So fire read always going out, doing look backyard farming same way is a part of survival. So may I tell everybody around say please, just please see if they can look at backyard farming if you have some water or something because it's not go pretty. It's not go pretty because a lot of people, most people lose something at the storm in St. Elizabeth. No matter how small it is, them lose something. So stay focused and just build again. It's gonna happen. It'll take some time, but it will happen, okay? Yeah man, see it there? We have some Callaloo. I try to go the organic way. Can you see it? Full of worm bite and things same way, but just a part of survival in a storm. See it there? Some red star Callaloo. Some pumpkin the same way I come. Yeah man. Over see them Callaloo yet. Don't know if it's the burgundy or the purple. Yeah man, plant some Callaloo and have some beans. We have to survive in a storm same way. Still have to survive in a storm. Yeah, you may not seen much. Yeah man, some Callaloo them the same way. Up on the farm. We plant some okra, cucumber. Look here. Look here my people. So we have to survive after the storm, you know. Okra same way. Callaloo. Callaloo. Yeah, man, so we have some bean here. Bean here, blossom. Some people, we can't give up on life. No matter what the situation is, we cannot give up. Yeah, man. See it the same way. One side spunk here. So you see, after me finish, when I harvest this pumpkin, I'm going to save the seed so I can grow back some pumpkin because a lot of farmers lose them crop and if you understand what I say. So I'm going to save the pumpkin seed. If you see the size of the pumpkin, yeah man, and the bees still work same way. As I say, a backyard farming there, nothing too big. Part of survival, you know. See, pumpkin farm the same way. Me not too big, but I'm going to harvest pumpkin. I want to see what I go on already. So never give up, my people. Never give up, man. Same time, I have some Callaloo sucker right here. So this is some tomato. Yeah man, I'm calling it the plummy tomato. But I will give you an update and show you the bearings at a later date and show you what I go on. See them there? I line up a small drip system. See it? Just a bucket. Me not have the water to do what I want to do. So I have a bucket right here. Can you see the hose? Yeah man, the hose. Showing you the drip system. Not if it's too big, but backyard farming is the way to go. Yeah man, see it them people. Straight down the line. small drip system that. These are some turmeric. Yeah man, at the pot. See them people. Cause mostly a lot of fruit trees damaging a St. Elizabeth. So I'm look at nursery. Yeah man, we have tomato in a container. We have callaloo in a container same way. Here see have some sweet peppers and some callaloo. Yeah man, see some callaloo right here. These are some callaloo. So let's farm something in the backyard, my people. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, fire raid, part of survival after the storm. Blessings. Anyone I watch from, one love, one heart.